Hi, I'm John Burrows. I work in warehouse support. A typical day for me is helping out customers, checking our mail, helping in the back with unloading trucks, and also putting away any and all items that come in from either of our offsite locations or from our buildings out in our express yard. Skills that make a real great warehouse support employee are knowing how to understand and transcribe descriptions from our paperwork to packing lists to customer items, and also being able to interact with customers to really understand what they're looking for and knowing where to send them to pick up their products. What makes this position incredibly important is we are the central spot where all the customer product is coming in. So whether it's a customer's item that they special ordered or it's our stock items, it all comes into the warehouse first. We have to make sure that it is all checked in properly, detailed, received, making sure that the quantities are matching up to what we ordered, making sure what's coming in matches exactly to what our system and our paperwork and what our salespeople ordered. As far as the training goes, we do get training for all the equipment here, whether it's being taught how to use our computer system to look up customer orders or print labels, or whether it's to operate machinery. This is actually a really fun, uplifting environment. We're always being safe, paying attention to what we're doing. Everybody's always willing to help out. Very helpful, friendly environment. I would say my favorite part of working here, it would have to be just not standing in the same place for an extended period of time, always being on the move. This position is a great job, great opportunity, great people to work with, whether you've had warehouse experience previously or no experience previously. And for anybody that is looking for a place with great benefits, this company is definitely a great place.